Hello, Danny here. Just wanting to show you guys a DIY project that is going to help me in my online teaching. So this is I made a camera boom out of a microphone stand. So this is a USB webcam, and what I did was um, I got an old bike tire and cut it, and then I took my webcam and then I just kind of fold the rubber over it. That's just so that it can fit into the where the microphone would go. So now it's going to be really snug. There you go. And you can adjust the angle. I could raise it. I could push it back. I could push it closer. It does everything that a camera boom would do. And so that's going to be very helpful whenever I do, for example, geometric constructions and I'm working with a compass and I can get different angles. So that's kind of how I'm going to use it. So that's the first DIY project. And these both involve a USB webcam. So I'm going to switch my camera. I'm going to switch to this one. So you'll see what that view looks like. And then that'll show you a view of my second DIY project. So let me switch here. And I'm probably going to have to adjust the camera. Oh, actually, it's pretty good. So this, let me take this off, was the camera that you were just seeing. But now the image that you're seeing is from the camera and the boom, on the boom that I just showed you. So this is it right here. So I can move it, I can adjust it. Sorry for all that. Anyway, the second DIY project, it's not that really. Actually, it's a document camera that I made. So this is the document camera holder that I made, and you can see that it's made out of Legos. You can use whatever you want, and then a wood base. And the reason for the wood base is so that it's heavy and the camera doesn't tip over. And notice this one has a large footprint, and afterwards I realized I could have just cut this short and added weights to it, and then that would have prevented it from tilting over. But overall, it's fine. It's okay. And so you need some kind of tower with an arm, and you're also going to need a webcam. So like this one. And so what I did was, after I built this, then I mounted it. And part of the fun was figuring out the design that would hold my camera snugly, and it does. But just for extra security, I put a rubber band to secure it. And so now I have a document camera. And the reason why you saw this old kitchen rag, I guess it's washed though, over it is because I noticed that it has a problem of shaking. So this particular design made out of Legos, it shakes. But by adding just something over it, you kind of dampen that vibration, and it doesn't vibrate for as long at the very least. But what you can do is you can just use rubber bands to kind of wrap everything around, and that's how I usually have it. I have it very snug and wrapped around, but I wanted to show you, so that's why it's off. But anyway, let me show you the view that you get from this camera. So let me switch. So now you're going to see the view from this camera pointing down. So there you go. Stabilize it. And then for some reason, whenever I put this under it, it focuses. I'm guessing it's because of the contrast, and that's probably that probably causes the sensors to go into autofocus. So that's cool. So anyway, so yeah, this is now a document camera. So hope you've enjoyed my videos, and I hope above all else that they're useful and maybe you get some kind of ideas from them. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email or just contact me.